Welcome to episode 1 of our mediumship training and development series. In this episode, we're revealing some secrets to crush the fear around psychic awakening.
This series is an introduction to our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
Make sure you catch all the videos in this series in the link below, where we cover the basic foundation of mediumship development.
Whether you're more advanced or just asking how do mediums work, this is the place for you.
For those of you that are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.com,
home of Zen Ed Academy. Since 2008, we have helped thousands around the globe develop their psychic mediumship gifts with clarity and confidence using our signature NBA method.
As you guys come on, please let us know where you are from and where you're watching from.
Where you're from, where you're watching from, where you happen to be right now.
Where you be.
And if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
So we are here to help point you in the right direction to improve your psychic mediumship skills without wasting time.
Right?
We hate wasting time. Me especially, type A. We are also here to fill in the gaps that might be missing in what you believe about the gift of mediumship. Now, these might be really important nuggets that, like a missing step on a bridge across a raging river, make it too scary to cross over. But if that step is there, you realize you are perfectly safe and understand the process, so that learning becomes fast and easy.
And these are very important nuggets, not necessarily chicken nuggets or dinosaur nuggets or any of those things. Chances are, if you are interested in mediumship, it is because something happened to open it up along the way. This is probably what we call a spiritual awakening of some kind. You may have heard that term thrown around, that opened your psychic and mediumship senses. This might be because of a trauma or some kind of a dramatic life change that kind of thrust you into a new awareness or a quickening of the senses.
That's what they call it, quickening of the senses.
It's the quickening.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, it sounds like a horror movie.
There can only be one.
Quickening?
Highlander. That was a part of Highlander, is the quickening. Anyway, keep going.
I have not seen one episode of The Highlander, by the way.
We need to watch that.
Never watched it.
All right.
Okay. So how does a spiritual awakening open your senses?
Like magic.
Yes, but with our students, we like to explain the reason behind why your brain is suddenly reacting in a new way. And we find that it helps take the mystery out of the process and make it workable.
And accessible.
Yes.
So when there is an event that opens the mind to psychic phenomena like a spiritual awakening, it is because the fight or flight instinct, that mechanism, has been triggered in some response to some unknown event or a known event that just happens to be traumatic, that immediately opens you to a much wider range of sensory information than the normal range of human senses, aka superpowers.
The issue with this is that if you do not train those newly opened senses and tame that corresponding fight or flight response, you will be doing a disservice to your future accuracy and skill. Okay? So it will always be colored by an over-exaggerated sense of urgency and fear. For instance, you know the type of psychics and mediums we're talking about, who everything is fearful and all their messages are urgent. You know, that's what we're talking about. The ones that give the rest of us a bad name.
Yeah.
Okay? Their drama gets all over an otherwise awesome group of people, and they give quite alarming readings.
Get your drama off me. Get your drama off me. It's too much. Take it back. So, what makes it even more alarming? Alarming or alarming?
Alarming even.
Alarming even is that even though there is often a bit of truth in the reading, there is more often than not some of their personal drama that gets injected, usually with good intent, nonetheless ends up with sometimes damaging results.
We don't want that. That sucks. So this is why once you get blown open by that awakening, solid training is really important to stabilize and hone those emerging skills. Otherwise, the overwhelmed senses don't ever become skills. They become anxiety-causing stress triggers.
Yeah, ain't nobody got time for that, right? So maybe that explains why you're caught up with the anxiety and the stress of all this sensory overload. So in the brain, you are developing new neural pathways that with quality practice can become solid, cleared and clear roadways instead of mucky dirt roads that always get washed out every time there's a flood.
Especially in the South, apparently, which is
apparently
where David's from now.
Not from
Northern California, the South. Whatever.
Wow, it's the new South.
A little different. So this is why it's really important to work on your underlying issues so you can build your confidence and clarity without getting thrown off by some invisible threat in your subconscious.
Right? So don't forget to catch all of the videos in this series using the link below so that you can have a better basic foundation for mediumship development.
In the next episode, we are demystifying the clairsenses so you can be a better psychic instrument.
That's an instrument. If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Ed Academy. This is where we have focused our life's work with thousands of clients across the globe and where you can take advantage of PhD-backed education, weekly practice, and a supportive community experience.
Zen Ed Academy is built around our unique NBA method that aligns your body, mind, and spirit, unlocking clarity and confidence in your psychic gifts so you can live your purpose with confidence while enjoying the support of like-minded people.
If you're ready to level up your psychic mediumship skills, we also have our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
If you want to learn more, you can click the links in the description.
Since you've watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies that we've got for you. The link to that is in the description below. If you like this video,
hit the like button.
Hit it hard. Boom, just like that. If you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on.
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. And the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your skills, your mind, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on one of our other videos. It might be somewhere around here. It might be over there. It might be over there. I don't know where it is. You guys can find it. We will see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.